Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubitstore is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Quick Action Lotion. Quick Action Lotion lightens and maintains skin moisture. It slow contains cocoa butter and honey for a great skin. It is a good skin moisturizer for all skin types. It is suitable for all weather types. Keeps the skin smooth, supple and healthy. This cream is a good skin lightening cream that works very fast in toning your skin. It will gently take you from dark color to chocolate and then to fair and then to white complexion with time. It is very effective and the result is visible in just 1 week. It doesn't require promixing to make it work. It contains sunscreen to protect you against harmful damaging rays of sunlight. This moisturizing lotion helps to polish the skin by getting rid of old skin cells, revealing a new supple skin ready for prepping. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.